Napoleon was terrified of cats. The man who conquered half of Europe would panic at the mere sight of a kitten, leaping onto chairs and refusing to come down until the threat was removed. Historians believe this intense fear, called ailurophobia, plagued him throughout his life, even during tense military meetings or grand social events. His enemies reportedly tried to exploit his strange phobia, sometimes sneaking cats into his quarters. This bizarre secret followed Napoleon from the battlefields to his exile on St. Helena, where even whispers of a stray feline could unsettle the former emperor. For someone who once commanded thousands, it's wild to imagine he could be undone by a harmless house pet. Historians still debate where this fear came from, but it's a reminder that even the most powerful figures have their unexpected weaknesses, and sometimes, they're as small and fluffy as a kitten.